hot seat. We've had a little bit of a bumpy ride so far, but you're up to $8,000. You are a food truck owner. The food truck is now parked. It is empty. The COVID has devastated his business, and fortunately, he seems to be a pretty bright guy, and hopefully we're going to come out of here with
debatable.
A lot of money. What's the best way to make a hot dog?
Deep fried,
Deep fried.
then flat top.
Okay, I'm now understanding
well done.
why you had a heart attack.
Yeah. I know. Same. I haven't had a hot dog in 3 months.
And once you pull it out, what do you get? Some sauerkraut on there?
Sauerkraut, brown mustard, dark brown mustard.
We are on the same wavelength. Okay, all right, here we go. Let's play Millionaire. For $16,000, Tom. After a 1997 eruption covered its capital in 40 feet of volcanic debris, the island of Montserrat is often referred to as a modern-day what? Alexandria, Constantinople, Athens, Pompeii.
Ed, it's got to be Pompeii.
Yeah, I don't think you need to use the lifeline. I think we're good. Pompeii.
Thanks, Ed. We're going to go with Pompeii. Final answer, D, Pompeii.
Well chosen. It is Pompeii, yeah. You got $16,000, Tom. Next question's for $32,000. Which of the following is a customary thing to say after witnessing an act of sternutation? Make a wish, bless you, knock on wood, congratulations.
Ed, I don't know what sternutation is. Ed, do you?
I'm going to break down the word.
It sounds to me like, breaking down a word, it's like somebody being reprimanded.
That's not making sense after I break it down. So much for that.
I'm leaning towards C, but I'm not. If I was a gambling man, I wouldn't go all in on C. Hey Jimmy, can we use our lifeline of 50-50, please?
Are you sure?
Yeah, because we have no clue.
Okay. All right, computer, take away 2 of the wrong answers.
Wow.
Wow.
Is that right? You sure?
The computer's pretty sure.
It's got to be B then, Ed.
I don't know.
Ed, I'm gonna say B. Bless you is my final answer, Jim.
You couldn't take it. You just wanted to get this over with, right? I mean,
Pretty much.
Yeah. You chose B, and you chose correctly.
Yeah, there's no turning back.